Hello mga hunters! Gusto nyo bang kumita ng pera sa pamamagitan ng pag-promote ng Amazon products sa TikTok ninyo? Paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo na merong tool na pwedeng makatulong sa atin na gumawa ng TikTok marketing ads na direct na nakalink sa Amazon products, turning your social media into a money-making machine? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath. I'm a social media VA at dito mag-hunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, tips, tools at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang isang bagay na pwedeng magpabago ng pananaw mo about sa social media marketing. Kung mahilig ka sa live selling, affiliate marketing, o gusto mong dagdagan ang kita mo sa e-commerce, you should watch this video. Now, I'm introducing you this powerful tool called Panda72 AI. So, this tool generates Amazon products at e-commerce link at this one seamlessly integrate the link or the product to your TikTok ads. So, imagine, pwede ka nang mag-live selling in just few clicks. So, ano nga ba ang Panda72 AI? Ito ay isang innovative platform na design para tulungan ang mga content creators, marketers, at kahit mga beginners na gumawa ng effective video ads with product links embedded in them. Kung nagbebenta ka ng mga products directly or kumikita through affiliate marketing, Panda72 AI makes it incredibly easy. The best part, hindi mo kailangan ng technical skills dito. With just few steps, pumili ka lang ng product, mag-generate ng link, at i-integrate ito sa TikTok ads mo. So, perfect ito sa gustong magsimula ng live selling o i-increase ang earnings ng affiliate mo. So, ito na yung website ni Panda72 AI. Pwede din kayong gamit ang mobile phone ninyo. So, meron po tayong mga samples na nandito. So, first is, you can create your own avatar in 3 minutes. Meron ding AI avatar library. And here, yung video mo. So, first, ang gagawin natin is, kailangan natin sign up using our email. So, once nakapag-sign up na kayo, ito na yung makikita ninyo. So, ito na yung dashboard. Merong 1 minute duration, 3 minutes, free avatar, free voice. So, ito yung mga template nila. So, merong finance, e-commerce, medical, holiday, newscasting. So, yun. So, ibig sabihin, even if you are a virtual assistant, a social media manager, an editor, pwedeng gamitin ninyo itong si Panda72 AI. So, hindi lang ito para sa mga TikTok influencers or content creators or yung mga TikTok account na nag-a-affiliate or nag-do business. Anyone can use this one. Even students, pwede itong gamitin. So, for example, i-check natin ito.
Happy Children's Day. May the laughter and warmth of their childhood echo in their hearts forever.
Yan, yun yung example ng avatar ng template nila. So, meron din dito mga avatar. Check natin. So, yan. Check nyo yan and explore kung ano pa. Dito naman is yung voice. Si George. Okay, Brody, yung narration, ganon. Ito naman dito mo isi-save yung mga file ninyo. And URL to video. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, kukuha tayo ng link dito sa Amazon. Tapos, paste natin dyan. Enter. So, hintayin natin mag-generate yung link. Okay, so ito na yon. Okay, ito yung product. Tapos, merong product description. And then, picture. So, merong mga na-generate na mga picture din dito. And, i-click natin. Next. So, dito sa part na ito, pipili tayo ng sino yung mga target audience natin. So, pwedeng college students kasi gagamit din sila ng mga heater. Office workers, housewives, travel, electronics, food, parents. Okay, yan. Positive language ng video natin is English. Once nakapili na kayo ng target audience, so click next. Okay, so eto na yung script. So, merong AI script, meron din dito yung custom. Ibig sabihin dito sa custom, ikaw yung gagawa ng script. But, gusto mong mapadali yung trabaho mo, then gagamitin na lang natin itong si AI script. So, 3 reasons why college students, ganyan, stream your life with convenience. Grab the BPA. Okay, so yung information nito is galing din sa link na kinopy natin from Amazon. Don't worry. Ganyan. Music starter. Gen Z. Okay, click next. Pipili tayo dito. Pili tayo ng eto. Eto yung gusto ko. Don't worry, make this smarter choice with Eventi. Yan. And then, next. Hintayin lang natin mag-generate yung video natin. Okay, next. Ito na yung makikita natin. Pipili tayo ng template. Ito bang quick transition, fade out, multi-angle. Pipili lang tayo ng ito na lang, quick transition. Tapos, avatar or creator's avatar. You can, like example, gamitin natin yung self ko. Okay, so kung avatar, self-avatar ang gagamitin mo, so ito yung instruction. Begin speaking with your mouth. Do not cover your mouth. Avoid filming from the side of your face. Ensure the subject. Okay, kailangan mag-film ka.
You can film with your phone while sitting, standing, holding it in your hand, or even while walking. Before starting your speech, close your mouth following the page's count.
Okay, so hindi tayo gagamit ng sariling avatar. Gamit na lang tayo ng video na existing na nandito. Or if you want to have a personalized video din, mas better na yung self mo ang gagamitin mo. And music, let's say, eto. Kinggan muna natin. Okay, so let's use... Okay, gamitin na lang natin itong salt for wound. Okay, yan. And then, try natin pakinggan.
Make the smart fast and efficient. It boils water in a flash. Perfect for busy college students, parents, and office workers. Stylish, BPA-free, and equipped with auto shut-off. It's the safe option for all households, travel enthusiasts, and food lovers. Relish your hot beverages anytime, anywhere, at $12.99 with a 2-year warranty.
Okay, yan. So, as you can see, yung script ay, yun yung sinasabi niya. But, if you're going to use yourself, then, I think mas engaging at mas personalized if yung picture or yung video is ikaw talaga. Okay, so this is just an example. And then, if you are satisfied already sa output, then, click submit. So, the export will take 37 seconds. So, confirm. Okay, so ito na yung video. So, you can also re-edit the video. So, the exported work is edited again. We will generate a new draft file for you to store in draft. Okay, confirm. Okay, so once you re-edit the video, pwede kayong mag-change ng text or yung picture, or you can also decide. You can also change the script, decide, or you can also upload your voice using your voice. Meron din dito mga background colors that you can choose from. And here, meron ding mga avatar. So again, you can also use your own picture or own video as the avatar. So, merong mga templates na nandito. If gusto mong i-change siya sa parang like ganito na mas appealing na version. So, for example, ito. So, you can also insert this scene or image. Yan. Okay. Or you can also remove background. So, yun yung kagandahan ni Panda AI kasi mas mapapadali yung buhay natin sa pag-i-edit or pag-generate ng videos for our content or if you are selling on TikTok. And then, after that, then click export. Okay. Let's try kung ito na, like example, ito na yung final natin, export. Okay, once you finalize the video, then click export. So, yun. Sobrang ganda ni Panda AI. And then, save and generate audio. Why you should use Panda AI? So, hindi lang po ito sa mga affiliate marketers or gustong kumita sa TikTok, but pwede din ito sa mga editors or sa mga virtual assistant na mas mapadali ang paggawa ng mga videos. So, pwedeng gumamit ka lang nito ng Panda AI, and then you can also have another clients or you can do other tasks. Kasi nga, in just few seconds or minutes, nakagawa ka na agad ng videos from here. So, more opportunities, more earnings, and more clients for you. So, if you are ready to level up your TikTok game and earn more commissions and affiliate earnings, so don't wait. What are you waiting for? Click the description box below at nandyan yung link sa Panda72 AI. So, that's it. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow our Facebook page and TikTok account for more tips at saka updates. Thank you for always watching and happy hunting!